Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you, or we are going to know if it is actually possible to use Telegram without a phone number. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So to answer the question, if can you use Telegram without phone number, so the answer is actually no. So the Telegram is a platform where it is actually required, or where the users are required to have their own personal phone number for them to be able to register and create an account. But if you really don't have any personal number or contact number that you personally own, what you can do is head into your browser, then just search for a temporary virtual cell phone number, and if there's an available one, you can just go ahead and use that. But again, it is actually not allowed to use different phone numbers, or your phone number, a phone number that is not yours on Telegram, or can you use an email address. So you can only use phone number, personal phone number, for you to be able to create an account and use Telegram. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.